another shiny package and another delivery from Simply Gilded. This is my July subscription box, and all I've done is cut the side here. I haven't peeked inside at all, as tempting as it was to have a look. So let's unbox and see what we have. So here it is, Wild Heart. My poor old box, I guess it's so stuffed full. It's had a bit of a journey from the looks of it. It's got a bit damaged, unfortunately, which is a bit sad, because I do plan to make another pocket size traveller's notebook like I made from last month's box, and I really would like to make one with this box. So hopefully I can maybe even iron the creases out, but let's not obsess about the box itself, and let's look inside the box. So it's quite easy to open. I think it might just be completely stuffed full. So we'll just remove everything from the box. So on the top of the box we have the card which tells us what's in the box. So we'll just pop that there. It mentions first of all a foiled journaling card. So we'll just go down the pile and locate that. Here it is here, Wild Heart, and this has a gold foil. I actually really like that with the white background. It just tones down the tropical Lisa Frank vibe a little bit. Then we have 4 washi tapes and a mini set, which I assume are inside this pouch. We'll just put that to the side now. There's a foiled pocket traveller's notebook insert, which is here. So this looks like the box itself. And then on the back it says Wild Heart. And inside it's blank pages, just like it was last month. Then we have a bird and palm pouch, which we'll look at when we look at the washi tapes. Tropical gel pen. So this is the pen here with those nice tropical colours, and it's a gel pen. Gives a nice satisfying click when it's closed. It's nice, I like it, I love the pen. Palm leaf sticky notes. So these are enormous sticky notes. I'll just take them out of here in case it's shining. Here we have the sticky notes, and they are huge. There's a lot of them, which is great. They have a gold foiled notes on the bottom there, and then the gold foiled oval with the tiny little cute bow there. But as you can see from this pocket size traveller's notebook, they're a lot bigger than that, so they'll need to go in a much larger traveller's notebook if I put them in a traveller's notebook, or they're just a nice big handy size for jotting things down, maybe sitting on my desk. And then we have the sticker sheets. So there are 2 sticker sheets. There are 2 sticker sheets, the more decorative sheet, which has 3 full boxes on it. Queen of the Jungle, love that sticker. Belief in Yourself, that's gorgeous. That's like a journaling card, which I don't have. And this one, Born Wild. And then there's some little decorative elements here, some flags, and lots of headers along there. A few trackers and a few small stickers. So it's the same layout as it was with the stickers last month. So we'll just pop that to the side, and we will now look at the bird and palm pouch. So it has a nice loop on the end for attaching charms, which is great. I haven't actually used the charm I got in my Oops bag yet, so I could in fact even attach it onto there. I do plan to take this bit off the key ring and attach it to a traveller's notebook, but I haven't yet done that. So it's got a nice gold zip, and there we go, and we'll just tip the washi out. Lots of washi. So that's the pouch there, and it is big enough, as you see, to fit pens inside. So that's the pouch. In fact, if we look at this, this is 6 inches, so the pouch must be almost 7 inches. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I love these 5mm mini bows. Love, 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 love. Okay, and this one is the cheetah print bow. This is one I think I'll need to see rolled out before I totally know how I feel about that one. And then there's the 10mm cheetah print without the bow. I like this one. This is very bright, and then it has the gold foil leaves on it. And of course those bright colours go with these bright tropical 5mm. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is really cute. It's got little gold foiled hearts on it, and then the toucan and the parrot and the leaves. That's actually really cute. I actually really love this one. Really, really love that. So that's heaps of washi in the kit this month. In fact, there are 8 rolls of washi, which is incredibly generous of Irene. So the 8 rolls of washi, the pen, the card, the stickers, the sticky notes, and the pocket-sized traveller's notebook insert, and not forgetting the pouch with the parrot and the toucan. That's everything in the July subscription box for Simply Gilded, and I'm very pleased I've subscribed because I think it's great value for money, and it's pushing me out of my comfort zone actually to try different colours and different things, so I'm loving it. Okay, thanks for watching guys, bye!